Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the YouTube video directly to your laptop, also called PC and also called computer. So without much ado, let's get started. So in order to do that, you have to go to the video that you want to download. So yeah, I'm looking for the kind of video that I want to download. You can visit Let's Learn Computer to get on your YouTube if you want to learn more about it. So a system, how to use your computer, how to do design, graphics, and how to do some basic stuff. So I'm here on the channel and then I want to download the video. So I've located the video that I want to download. So what you have to do is right click, and you can see after I right click, you can see the copy link address. So I right click on the particular video that I want to download. So I click on copy link address. So once I click that, the link will be copied. So I have to go to my browser and then navigate to another tab. Then I'm going to search this particular website, and it's called savefrom.net. Savefrom.net. So I'm going to click on send, and then this is where you can download the video from YouTube. So it's going to load depending on your internet connection. So then you could see paste your video link. So here I'm going to right click and then I click on paste. Automatically it's going to search for that video. So you could see it's going to be loading. Then you could see download MP4 360. Then you could see the thumbnail. You can see the title. So what you just need to do is click on that one and it will download automatically. Or you click on this down arrow and then you click on the one you want to download. So once you click on 360, it's going to load the game, but you have to make sure you delete your cancel the backlink to that link, to that page rather, and then click on this three dot like I see it here. Then you click on the download. So once you click on download your video, will be downloading. Now you will see it here. The video is downloading, and then you see the video is downloading and then it's saved as file, and then it's already on my laptop. So this is how you can download videos from YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so if you gain something valuable from this channel, comment and share, and see you again next time.